Join me as I challenge myself to try every single must-eat dish in Thailand and find the best local eats along the way. Thailand, a country known for its rich and diverse flavors, where every bite is a culinary adventure. From spicy tom yum soup to sweet and sour mango sticky rice, the options are endless, and my taste buds are ready to take on the challenge. When it comes to navigating the numerous food options available in Thailand, it can be overwhelming, to say the least. With so many delicious dishes to try, how do you choose just a few to feature in a video about the best local eats? The truth is, it's not easy, and I've spent hours researching, asking locals for recommendations and trying out different dishes to bring you the cream of the crop. From popular tourist areas to hidden gems and local markets, the search for the best local eats has taken me on a wild culinary ride. I've tried dishes that I never thought I'd like, and I've discovered flavors that I never knew existed. But the question remains, what makes a dish truly special? And how do you find those hidden gems that only locals know about? The answer lies in the people, the culture, and the history behind each dish. By immersing myself in the local culture, talking to vendors, and learning about the ingredients and cooking techniques used, I've gained a deeper appreciation for the food and the people who cook it. Let's start our culinary adventure in the bustling streets of Bangkok, where the sweet aroma of grilled pork and the sound of sizzling street food fill the air. From classic dishes like pad thai and green curry to more unusual options like fried insects and creamy coconut ice cream, every bite is a flavor sensation. At the famous Chatuchak Weekend Market, we'll discover the art of traditional Thai cooking, where vendors have been perfecting their recipes for generations. The smells, the sounds, the sights, everything about this market is a sensory overload, and I'm loving every minute of it. Next, we'll head to the ancient city of Chiang Mai, where the local cuisine is a fusion of traditional Thai flavors and Burmese influences. From spicy curries to sweet and sticky rice, every dish is a reflection of the city's rich cultural heritage. But the most thrilling part of this video is yet to come. The moment I try the infamous som tam, or papaya salad, a dish so spicy it'll leave you breathless. Will I survive the heat? Or will I succumb to the flames? You'll have to watch to find out. As we conclude our culinary adventure through Thailand, I'm reminded of the richness and diversity of this incredible cuisine. From north to south, every region has its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques, making Thai food a never-ending journey of discovery. Thanks for joining me on this epic foodie adventure, and I hope you're as hungry as I am for more culinary explorations. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Thai dishes are, and don't forget to subscribe for more food adventures and culinary explorations around the world.